Live with joy inside your heart.
Mini Manny. Time to make a deal. Why did you call us?
Is it because Shopalots are attacking the world again?
No way! It isn't that.
Then what is all this emergency about, Minnie?
There's a deal with the Shopalots.
Huh? I wasn't expecting to chuckle.
This isn't a joke.
But then tell us how.
Pink Planet board members set a meeting with the Shopalot Council Chief. They decided to bring an end to all of this meaningless fighting.
So the Shopalots accepted the deal?
Well, actually, they came with some terms.
Terms like what?
They are demanding a supply of the world's vegetables, fruits, nutritions, and beverages.
Whew. Well, that is easy. We can give them whatever they want. That's fine.
Is that really all they want, though?
They also want the crystal from the Green Valley.
Piece of cake. We can go to the Green Valley and take the crystal. But what crystal is it?
Yeah, but where exactly is this Green Valley?
It's in the world's inner core.
Huh? Give me a break.
The road starts here.
Don't lose the map I gave you. It's important.
Don't worry, Manny.
I don't really want to leave you alone, but I need to send the Shopalots what they demanded.
And I'll be waiting for you right here.
I think we can handle it. What do you say, Neşe?
That's right. You don't have to worry. Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word. Let's go get that crystal, team.
We have a real adventure ahead of us.
Oh, they're gone.
Are these stairs going way up?
It certainly seems so.
But I think the core of the world should be down below us.
That was what I thought, but it doesn't seem so. The map only shows the sets of stairs. Going up or down isn't clear.
Alrighty, let's climb them.
Ooh!
This keeps going up.
It's an endless staircase. Huh? Oh, no, wait. This is quite odd.
We are at the same spot.
Do you see the same thing I'm seeing, Goochlu?
This staircase goes down.
To go forward, seems like we should try going down this staircase. There weren't so many stairs this time.
So what does it show on the map after the stairs?
A peak of a mountain.
This mountain is too high.
You're still in the same spot, Goochlu.
Why is this happening?
I think that the pink planet technology isn't working here. We should do whatever an ordinary Earthling would do, okay?
Well, that's no sweat for me. I can climb easily.
Huh? The mountain is not as high as I thought.
Nothing here is like how it appears.
Finding green grass at the deepest part of the world. This place is really interesting.
The land is shaking. Hold on tight.
Goochlu?
Was this thing on the map too?
No.
Oh.
Ah!
Oh. Who are you two?
I'm Neşe, and this is my friend Goochlu.
Oh. Neşe. Goochlu.
And what is your name?
My name is Vadyan. But they call me the Green Vadyan now.
Oh, do they? So there are other people here?
Oh. That's right.
So are they all as big as you?
Me? Big?
Well, you are gigantic after all.
Am I gigantic?
Yeah.
This is as far as you can go here.
It's a vessel. But where exactly is this going?
To the place you're looking for.
Huh? Such a small island.
Please tell me that this spot is on the map.
No, it's not.
We can sign the deal now, Chief. We got all of the fruits and vegetables you wanted. We'll bring the crystal too, but not everything will happen at the same time. Oh, okay, sure. I get it. No green crystal, no deal with you. I hope Neşe and Goochlu accomplish their mission or we're finished.
What a beautiful place.
The valley must be here. Neşe, look. Green Valley is right there.
At last we made it. Let's hurry up. What's going on?
This must be quicksand.
Okay, don't move, Goochlu. The more we move, the deeper we're gonna sink.
What should we do then?
If we can throw the rope around the rocks, then we can save ourselves. Oh, I missed.
You did it.
I can't.
You can do it, Neşe. You did it.
Goochlu, now don't move. I'm sending you the rope.
Do it quick, Neşe.
Catch the rope.
Got it. I'm coming.
Let's go to the valley.
It's so green here.
I guess that's why they call it the Green Valley.
I have the crystal.
Oh, Goochlu, we better get out of here right away.
Run, Neşe. Run to the vessel.
Right behind you.
Let's get out of here.
Where are those two? Huh? At last you came! You made it!
We did it.
Did you get the crystal?
Here it is.
Okay, I'll call Minnie right away.
Excuse me, Council Chief? We got the crystal you wanted. If you sign the deal, we'll give the crystal to you. All right, then let's go to Earth right now to get the crystal for you.
Huh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 1
Here they come now.
Are we ready to sign the deal now?
At last, we did it!
I told you this would be easy.
You did it, Neşe! You saved us from the Shopalots again!
Yeah, but I couldn't have done it without Minnie, Manny, and Goochlu helping.
You went all the way to the core of the Earth, Neşe. It was one tough journey.
That's right. You accomplished a hard task.
Congratulations to all you kids.
Congratulations! This deal is gonna be amazing.
Come join us, Yumak.